Carolyn Doobie here. What's the play for today? Well, today it has to do with kicking off the year right, starting it out with some creativity, jumpstarting that mojo, jumpstarting that creativity, and you might know what I'm going to talk about, and that is Creative Jumpstart. Yup, it's coming again this year, and I am super excited to be a part of it. Creative Jumpstart is the brainchild of Nat Kalbach, and she is the one that has hosted this, made it happen for over 10 years now. Now, what is included in this year's Creative Jumpstart? Well, first of all, it is the theme of creating connections. 38 artists are participating. That means 38 videos for you, all revolving around the idea of making connections. But each one of us gets to interpret it in our own way. So that means every video is going to be very different, creating an absolute buffet for you of inspiration. I mean, check out all these artists. Now, if you've done Creative Jumpstart before, you know how much fun it is to start the year this way. And if you haven't done Creative Jumpstart before, you are in for a treat. This is such a fun way to get that email, to know that you've got a new video every day for 38 days to kick off the new year. Now, what is each person's lesson going to be? What are you going to see from each artist? Well, I have no idea what they're doing, but I can tell you what I'm doing. We are going to take a very fancy art supply, and we are going to connect with it. We're going to let loose and play and have some fun. And that fancy supply is junk mail envelopes. One of the things I really appreciate about Creative Jumpstart is that the videos are about 10 minutes long. Bite size. So that means there's time, even in a busy day, to watch the video and get a little playtime in. At this point, you might be wondering, how much is this going to cost? I mean, 38 videos, a new one for every day for over a month, plus there are live webinars that are included, plus you've got the classroom so you can share and interact with your fellow classmates, as well as interacting with the artists. And I mean, well, there are giveaways, there's so many things going on within the community, within Creative Jumpstart. How much is it all going to cost? Well, I'm actually not going to tell you what it costs right now because I don't know when you're watching this video. You see, she's got an early bird price for it and then a regular price. Now, the regular price is $79. So starting January 1st, when the workshop begins, then it goes up to the full price. But before then, the sooner you go over and check out how much it is and check out all the details, the less expensive it's going to be, the more you're going to be able to save. So that's why I can't tell you exactly what it is right now. But again, there's a link down below. You can head on over and check out what the early bird price is happening right now. So if you're looking for a creative way to start the new year, to jumpstart your mojo, or just start out with some inspiration every day for over a month, then check out all the details about Creative Jumpstart. Links down below for you. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop.